Hi guys, today for the first time I'm going to make a simple homemade cake. I started by cracking 3 eggs, separating the egg yolks from the eggs white. Then I took the eggs white and placed them in my mixing bowl. I started mixing until everything was well combined. After that, I added a 1/4 kilogram of sugar and continue mixing until the sugar was well mixing with the yolk egg, and mix everything again. As I said before guys, this is my first time making a cake, so stay with me until the end of this video and let's see if I can do it. Okay, I added 1 small teaspoon of lemon juice and mix everything again. After mixing well, I added the eggs yolks and continue mixing until the mixture was smooth and well combined. Then after that, I added a vanilla sugar to give the cake a nice aroma and flavor. I mix everything together very well. After that, I added a 1/4 kilogram of olive oil and continue mix everything together. You can also use butter or Blue Band if you have it, but I didn't have it, so I decided to use olive oil instead. Next, I added 1/2 kilogram of wheat flour and 1 packet of carbonate. I sifted the ingredient using a sieve to make sure everything was smooth and free of lumps. Then I gently mix everything until the cake batter was well combined. After that, I pour the mixture into my baking pan and place it in the oven to be baked. Then I gently waiting for my cake to be ready. Nakutandika? And here is my cake, guys. As you can see, it turned out real well. It is soft, light and delicious looking. Wow, I can't believe I did it. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to taste my cake. This is my doing, guys. I can't believe it. You see how soft it is. See, guys, so soft, light. This cake looks so delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me from the beginning of this video until the end. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification for more video. Thank you.